Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making some stands for these two figures. So I have two beautiful horses. Over here on the left side is a Pegasus. This one is a white Pegasus with bluish gray wings. Over here on the right side we have a unicorn. This one is a white unicorn with rainbow hair. So I'll be using these two molds for the stand. I really love this. These have the little balls on the bottom so it stands elevated. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. So let's go ahead and mix some resin. For the unicorn, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to add just a little bit of glitter in the clear resin, and then we're going to pour it into the mold. And then we're going to be adding some real flowers. I've dried daisies in various colors. So we'll take one of each color and just put them all the way around, and one more in the middle. And just to fill up the empty space, I'm going to put tiny little pink flowers. Now we're going to wait 12 hours for it to cure. For the Pegasus, I'm going to mix some holographic glitter into the clear resin and add a bit of graphite mica powder. Then we're going to pour it into the mold. Next, we're going to take some liquid latex. And we're going to coat each leg. Resin does not stick to latex, so this will protect the figure. It's been about 10 hours and the resin is almost completely cured. On the silver one, we're going to add one of these holographic images. This matches the moon and stars on the Pegasus. Simply going to just cut it out and put it right in the middle of the stand. And then we're going to cover it with a layer of resin. The latex is nice and dried, and we are going to put like that. We're going to do the same here for the rainbow unicorn. Pour a clear layer of resin. Take our unicorn, also covered with resin, and we're going to stick him right there. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and we are now ready to demold. So let's go ahead and take out the unicorn and remove the latex. As you can see, it just comes out super easy. And now we have the indentations here for the unicorn, and we can also remove the latex from its leg. So these just pop right off. So let's go ahead and demold this one. Super excited, this is gonna look so nice. Oh, look at this, it's so clear. Look at the back. Here's the top. And here it is. Oh my goodness, I think this one turned out so nice. What do you guys think? Okay, here is the next one. Here's the Pegasus. So I'll take its feet out. Here's the back, super glittery, and here's the front. And here it is. Oh my goodness, doesn't this look great? Alright everyone, so here are the two stands that we made today. I think they are just beautiful and really matches the unicorn and the Pegasus. So which one do you like better? Do you like the unicorn, the rainbow unicorn with the real flowers, or do you like the Pegasus, the one with all that glitter? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Bye!